So in today's video, I explain how to use onions, purple onions, to if you want to find correct answer to a particular question. Get a purple onion and you remove the inner layer of the onions. You cut it like this one, right? So get a piece of white paper, write your intention, your question, write it in question form, you understand, in a piece of white paper, then fold it, put it in this onion and you cover it. Use a red thread to hold it very well. So at night, put this under your pillow the first day, the second day and the third day. Before that 3 days, you will find answer to that question. So after you find the answer to the question, go and throw the onion, go and throw it away.